Hello hello. Hi. And I'm going to do a Barbie homemade tower. And let's get started. First, I gonna do is my kitchen. And let's get to kitchen. And ready. And this is a kitchen. And this is um this is a cuddles, but I'm homemade this. And this is a chair for sitting and waiting the cooking. And this is a table for to eat. And this is a dog. And this is a table. And this is another chair for a razor. And let's get to a living room. And this is a vacuum. A vacuum is I got it for my walking chair. Excuse me. And I'm gonna do a washing dress or clothes. And let's get started. And this is a basket for I this a Barbie, and I'm going to do the Barbie. That's a basket. And this is a washer for it. A circle. Okay. And I'm going to do my bedroom. I living room. And this is a living room. And this is a chair or a razor, and that a double. I got this a birthday party, and I got it and this is a TV, a picture from my school. And here's I am. This is me, like, and this is my partner. And this is going to my bedroom. Dominic! Ano ba naman? And this is a light. This is a glue from snowman. Clear glue. Clear glue. This is a light. This is a orange. And this is a bed from a tissue box. Color orange. And this is a pose, and then this is a pillow. This is a comb for a makeup powder. And this is a wallet for my mom, and then this is a drawer for a child. And I'm going to do a shower. This is a drawer. And this is a toilet, and this is my lotion shower. I get this. And this is and chancherur, and from Saudi, and alluring some flowers, and some $15, $90 for a period. And that's my this is a court. And I'm going to do all my toys collection. And this is my baby alive. The baby alive by my dad. I'm school top one, and my dad is going to gift for me and buy this. And this is my doll's small house. And this is all my Barbies. And This small bottle is from Baby Alive. And this is my picture, and this is me, and this is my brother. And it's my box are not made a zipper. And this is my bed. This is this is the bed. And and it's my medal. And thanks for watching. For subscribe and subscribe this video. And bye. Thanks for watching for this video for homemade Barbie house tower. And bye. And my toys and my room tower. Okay. Bye. See you next week for my makeup. Bye.